Hey y'all, WillEWorm here. Let's talk about fishing. Who has fishing plans this weekend? Leave a comment in the...
Hey WillEWorm, how are ya? Smash!
He really needs to learn to be quiet. Too late for that. We have some new features here at WillEWorm coming up. Catch them all! Subscribe to my YouTube, Twitter, Google+, and Facebook so that you see all of the new WillEWorm videos. And on YouTube, hit the little bell icon so that you know exactly when we go live with our new features. We'll look forward to seeing you then. Bye for now.